Ahead of the referendum scheduled for 12 February, the Election Commission (EC) has prohibited government officials and employees from participating in any form of campaigning in favor of either a yes or no vote. The Commission has warned that legal action will be taken against anyone who violates this restriction. The Election Commission Secretariat issued a special directive in this regard on 29 January. The directive states that under Section 21 of the Referendum Ordinance 2025 and Article 86 of the Representation of the People Order RPO 1972, any person employed in the service of the Republic may only inform or raise awareness among the public about the referendum. However, they are strictly prohibited from calling on voters to cast a yes or no vote in the referendum. The EC noted that such activities by government officials could directly influence the outcome of the referendum. Therefore, under Section 21 of the Referendum Ordinance 2025 and Article 86 of the RPO 1972, such actions will be considered punishable offences. The directive further states that all concerned are requested by order to take necessary measures in accordance with the relevant laws. To ensure strict implementation of the directive, Divisional Commissioners, Deputy Commissioners, DCs, Regional Election Officers, Returning Officers, and other relevant officials have been instructed to take necessary steps. Copies of the directive have also been sent for information and effective enforcement to the Cabinet Secretary, the Principal Secretary, to the Chief Advisor, various ministries and divisions, Bangladesh Police, RAB, BGB, ANSA, and VDP, as well as all other law enforcement agencies and concerned officers. It is worth noting that the referendum on the implementation of reform proposals will be held on the same day as the upcoming 13th National Parliamentary election. The government has already been conducting extensive campaigning in favor of a yes vote. In addition to government advisors, various government, semi-government, and autonomous institutions are also participating in the campaign. In this context, the Election Commission has emphasized strict compliance with its directive. Desk Report, Bangladesh Guardian.